Hey, what's up? Wanted to come at you and show you guys some of the new wheels that we're gonna have in stock here. We just got a huge shipment, and so we're gonna go through some of the ones behind me and some of the ones over here to be able to show you guys what we're gonna have in store ready for you guys. All right, so the first wheel that we've got off of the pallet, we've got the XD844. So we'll unbox this thing and check it out. All right, yeah, like I said, the XD844 XD Pike in the candy red. This thing's gonna be, I believe, a 20 by 9. Let's check here. Yeah, we've got 20 by 9, 0 offset, 6 on 5.5, 6 on 139.7. So this is gonna be perfect for a lifted Chevy half ton. So as you can see, I mean, we really like the red around here. So this is one that we haven't done very often. So I'm excited to see what vehicle this thing goes on. This will be in stock, available by the end of this week here. All right, so next up, we've got the KMC Cam 100. This is a wheel that we've never actually put in stock before. So excited to see what this one looks like in person here. All right, so this guy right here, the Cam 100, this is in all matte black. This is gonna be a 17 by 9, -12, 5 on 5 dual drill with 5 on 5.5. So this is gonna work really well on most lifted Jeep Wrangler applications. And 17s are a little tough to fit on a Ram with a 0 offset if it's lifted. But if it's stock ride height with a 0, we can fit it on there. One cool thing about this one is this centerpiece here twists right off to change out that center ring that you see here. So you can kind of customize it a little bit. You can get different caps for it as well. So that's something cool to be able to customize it. So as you can see, this is gonna be set up here. If I can get this right. There we go. This will be set up here in store. Something that you can easily purchase. All right, so third one that we've got today, also gonna be fresh in stock here. Jesus, Eric. All right, anyways. So third one that's gonna be in stock, this is the Fuel Vapor. I believe this is in the GT, but we'll find out here real quick. All right, so I was wrong. I did not read the box here. But this is gonna be the Vapor in the all matte black. As you can see, very popular wheel. We do tons of these Vapors. This one's gonna be a 17 by 9, -12, 5 on 5, 5 on 4.5, dual drilled on this. This is gonna work great for pretty much any lifted 07 plus Wrangler. So very popular wheel, really like this one. Like I said, we've done a lot of DDT finishes, which is a deep dark tint. This is the all matte black. All right, fourth one, I'm like super excited about this one because I haven't seen this finish in person. It's a brand new finish, and it's honestly, it's wild. So you'll see here in just a second. I ain't ever seen this in person. God damn. Look at that. Brand new finish from Fuel. It's, what do they call it? Anodized blue and milled. And so this is, like I said, brand new wheel, the Typhoon, the D774. This is a 20 by 9 +1. And like I said, in the anodized blue finish. So something wild, absolutely different. If you want your truck to stand out, this is gonna be the one. This is a dual drilled 6, so this is gonna work really well on new body style Rams, F-150s, and Chevys. Lifted versions for the most part, but This is gonna be an awesome one for that. I can't wait to see the build that this goes on. All right, so before we get to our last wheel, figured I'd go ahead and tell you guys that we're gonna have new merch on the website. So we've got our new black t-shirts, that's the back side right there. Front side with our new logo up there, new updated simplified logo on that. And then we also have the new Overland t-shirt. This is a dark heather, got the mountains, Overland Jeep with the 10 on there and everything. So pretty excited how these things turned out. It's got a little shoulder tat. And so pretty excited. Those will be on the website sometime soon. Final wheel today, we've got the XD 842. We've already unboxed this one because it's already on the showroom. And so we just wanted to go ahead and show you guys this one, but this is all matte black, 20x9, dual 6 drilled. This one has the removable ring here, so this can either be black or red. Pretty nice to be able to kind of customize it. We did it recently on a Jeep Gladiator, but this one's gonna be dual 6, so it'll work on F-150s, new Rams and Chevys, mostly, actually, you know what? This is a plus 18, so this is gonna work well on leveled trucks as well. So that's everything that we've got for the wheel unboxing today. We figured we'd just grab a couple of the ones that we knew were gonna stand out a little bit. But as you can see, we still got a pallet here. We've got a pallet right behind us of some wheels, but then we've got other wheels down at our storage, and our showroom is absolutely stocked. So stop by the showroom, check out some of the ones that we have in stock. They're typically cheaper than normal when we buy them in bulk like this. So stop by, see what we can do for your build.